Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to SCS VAJRA Tutorials. In part of vocabulary, word of the day is hilarious. It is an adjective. Meaning of hilarious is extremely amusing. Telugu meaning of hilarious is ullasanga and santoshamayna. Let us see synonyms, antonyms of hilarious. Look at synonyms: joyful, merry, and antonyms are sad, unhumorous, solemn. Let us see sentence example of hilarious. First sentence is, you should read this book, it is hilarious. Telugu meaning of this sentence is, మీరు ఈ పుస్తకాన్ని చదవాలి, అది ఉల్లాసంగా ఉంటుంది. Next sentence, there were hilarious scenes when the monkey ran into the shop. Telugu meaning of this sentence is, కోతి షాప్లోకి పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు ఉల్లాసమైన దృశ్యాలు ఉంటాయి. Thank you for watching. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe my channel SCS VAJRA Tutorials.